So if you want to connect your Wi-Fi dongle to your TV, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. So is it actually possible? Well, the thing here, it's definitely possible to connect your Wi-Fi dongle to a TV. Now, but it actually depends on what kind of dongle you have. Now, some TVs only work with specific adapters, while others need a streaming stick instead. So how do you exactly do it? So first things first is you want to check if your TV supports a dongle. Now, before you start plugging anything here, take a quick look at your TV's manual or go through the network settings. Now, you want to see if there's an option that says for wireless or Wi-Fi or something like that. Now, if it mentions compatible Wi-Fi adapters or has a list of supported models, now that's your green light. Now, a lot of newer smart TVs already have Wi-Fi built in, so you might not even need the dongle. Now, next is you want to go and just plug your dongle. Now, depending on what type of dongle you have, plug it. You want to go and just plug it into the right port. So if it's a small USB Wi-Fi dongle, it goes straight into one of the TV's USB port. Now, if you're using a streaming dongle like a Chromecast, Roku, or a TV Fire Stick, the one that plugs into an HDMI port, and you usually need to power it on using a USB cable as well. But yeah, so then you want to go and switch your TV input. So if you're using an HDMI dongle, grab your remote and change the input source to HDMI port or port you just used, and you should see the dongle's setup screen appear. Now, if not, double check if it's getting power. Now, next is you want to go to your TV settings. You want to go to network, and you want to go to the Wi-Fi section. Now, if the dongle is compatible, the TV will start searching for available network. Now, on streaming dongles, you'll usually see an on-screen setup guide or an QR code that walks you through through connecting it using your phone. Now, once or your network shows up, select it. Uh, Type in your password, let it connect. It might take a few seconds to not totally normal here, but once it's done, you should see a confirmation message or a check mark and that it's actually online. Now, to make sure everything is working, open your TV streaming app like YouTube or Netflix and try playing something. If it loads without any buffering issues here, then your dongle is doing its job perfectly. And that's about it. Now, by the way, if your TV doesn't seem to recognize the USB dongle, don't stress. Most TVs can't use the same kind of USB Wi-Fi adapters that computers do because they need a special driver or special drivers. In that case, your best option is an HDMI streaming dongle. If it works with almost any TV that has an HDMI port and connects to Wi-Fi on its own. But yeah, so hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.